Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is January 2nd, 2018, and today is Tuesday morning. So welcome to 2018. We're starting off with the economic news of the day, manufacturing PMI number coming out of UK, and that's at 11:30 South African time. But let's see what's been happening in the markets from the new year. So as we've started the 2018 year, a lot of different cycles in the markets. We're looking here at the Euro USD and challenging its upper resistance level of 120.70-ish level. We're just about 40 pips away from it. So looking at a daily chart here, okay, so we've rallied beautifully over the past week. That's why I always say last week of December, always a great week to actually be trading, and it's a little bit more difficult because sometimes you're not sure how much the volume is really there and how honest the trading is. But as you can see, there is follow through in the market here. And looking at a weekly chart, I mean, this is really at the top of its limit, okay? Had this nice bull flag right here at 117.75-ish level. And we're trading here at 120.30-ish level. So let's see if we do get this follow through and the markets are open and people are not hungover over the new year, and we do get that breakout above this 120 and making it back to 125, 126-ish level if we do break this upper limit. Looking at the GBP USD, also following through a 135.30-ish level, also hitting this double top right here and looking to break this to this 136-ish level as well. Looking at the USD ZAR, we look like we're pretty much leveling off here, okay, after this massive correction we had from the ANC elections from almost 2 weeks ago, and we're trading here with 1235-ish level, and looks like we're, looking for a little bit of a base here, okay, and we've had this previous low before, but not looking for any correctional move too soon, as it seems that the market down in South Africa is getting a little bit more optimistic about the local economy. So that's actually, coming through on the USD ZAR, as you can see. Looking at the Aussie USD, following through against the dollar, still getting stronger at 78. We've had this massive rally, and I would say this was the catalyst that pushed us above against the dollar. Okay, the Aussie didn't give up at any point last week. Looked like it was just leveling off a little bit, and then it just broke out higher and continued the rally. Looking at gold, we're trading at 1310 above the 1293-ish resistance level, and as well we're looking like we want to close this up to 1325, 1350-ish level. Okay, so there's a lot of rotation in the markets, as you can see, as the commodities have gotten stronger. Oil as well, challenging $60 a barrel. Okay, we've hit the $60 a barrel from almost 2.5 years ago, and now we're challenging it again. So let's see if we do get this breakout and this follow through. So a lot of things on the threshold starting out, beginning of 2018. We've got to see if there's going to be some follow through. Now, what is catalyzing us in this direction is the fact that the DAX is getting much weaker. Okay, DAX trading at 12,934-ish level this morning, just gapping up this morning, but it has been very, very weak, and drawing the markets weaker as well. So just keep that in mind as this unfolds later today. Let's see if we do get this bounce and the equity markets do rally back just a little bit. Looking at the Dow Jones last week as well, we had this massive sell-off last week, okay, 118 points from 24,800-ish level down to 24,600-ish level. Okay, over the last 2 days, we sold off over 200 points, but now we look like we're just bouncing back from that. Let's see if we do get a little bit of a rally to 24,800-ish level. January is generally a bearish month for the equity markets, but the Dow has been so strong that I question whether or not it's actually going to correct itself this January. Okay, so let's see if that does actually fruit and see how that unfolds as well. JSC, like a rock star. Okay, we gapped up this morning, trading at 53,247-ish level. Let's see if we do, close up this, gap between our all-time highs and follows through with the other equity markets. So I'd like to see some follow through, like I said, and see some strength going into the new year. But definitely there are some rotations in what's going on with the market, especially in the currencies versus the dollar. Dollar getting much weaker against most of the currencies. So let's see if we do get some follow through. This is Razak. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.